Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check Amazon subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, simply access your particular Amazon shopping app. Open it up. Now right over here, all you gotta do is, first thing, make sure you are correct, log in with the correct account, and the next step, simply go ahead and tap on this 3 horizontal line in the bottom right. Tap on this option of account right over here, and simply scroll till you find this option of membership and subscription below Amazon Music settings. Go ahead, tap on it. Now there we go, you will be able to find all of the subscription listed right over there if you have taken one, and you can simply choose to cancel them as well by simply tapping on it, and then you will get this cancel subscription option. You're gonna tap on that, provide them the confirmation, and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to cancel the subscription existing and find them all, and that is how you can do it as well. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.